incoming!
Like, I'm the one with issues and everyone else is perfect.
See, that's why I said I'm gonna be your counselor.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna tell you, you start smoking these black and miles with me, bro, you gonna feel way better. I just started doing this shit. I feel 10 times better. These wood tests, I swear to God, bro. Your voice may change, Justin, but I'm telling you one thing, it'll tune everything out.
Resurgence.
Alright, let's see what we got.
Stay alive. Keep the squad in tight. Squad and hit the field.
I'm excited. Hopefully we get good games and stuff.
I'll skip back from last game.
Oh my god, bitch!
An enemy squad is hunting you. Stay sharp.
Damn, I have a bounty on me? No.
Reinforcements inbound. UAV overhead. Hostile UAV in the area. Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them. Change the max.
What is it?
Hostile UAV in the area.
Nigga stole my kill.
Enemy UAV is online. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Bounty targets are up. Get up.
Y'all all there? The team up top.
Alright, one shot.
Contact failed. Stand down.
Good shot.
There's one right here.
Damn, you're fighting by yourself. What the hell?
Primary objective complete.
I'm reloading! Oh my god. This fucking game.
Enemy UAV overhead.
This game is retarded, bro. You got that, dude?
Your squad
Yeah,
mate's
there
back
he
on
is.
station.
Bro,
Good
that is such bullshit. This shit took extra long to reload while he's self-reviving. Right in front of me.
Inserting armor.
Fucking SMG.
Yo, what's up? We got enough for loading.
Let's get it.
I dropped my bread.
We don't got it.
Yeah, I dropped the red compact over there. Y'all snagged
Made
it?
it to the safe zone.
They on control roof.
Moving ground, moving.
What was
Loadout
you
drop
getting
headed your way.
Chemical roof, I mean. Chemical roof.
Right there, right there, right there, right there.
I'm dead.
Yeah, you're bugging. I don't got no shield, bro.
Yo, I got him. I got him. Cut that shit out, boy.
This shit, this shit.
Wow. I need plates, man.
You've made it to the top 10.
Oh, good shit.
We've got 10
I low-key
squads
pushed
active in
them.
the field.
That's our field.
To us.
Enemy UAV is online.
I'm gonna get a UAV.
Setting waypoint.
Smitty.
Yo, I need a vest. If you guys find a vest, let me know.
Alright.
See a lot of money.
Yo, there people here? At chemical?
I think
I don't think so.
armor box on me.
Oh no, let's buy a loadout. I mean a UAV or something.
Yeah, I'm buying
Yeah.
UAV.
Hell yeah.
Trying to find some niggas. That's I'm
Loadout
On
incoming.
the way.
Yeah. Yo,
There's nobody here, guys.
nobody at bio?
There's that factory and
Let's go green.
Yeah, there's people at bio.
There's one guy in the water. Behind us.
Setting waypoint.
But that's some bullshit.
factory.
Bullshit. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna go factory.
Right here. Got him. Bitch. That off.
Moving here.
He's
Enemy
right here.
visual.
Damn, I missed.
Damn.
Yo, right here up
Yeah, they
top.
took the road.
Yeah,
He took the road.
Yeah, I cracked him with the sniper. He's hurt.
Left side, yeah, they flying in.
Toss a stim tech.
I'm going in through the bottom. I'm coming up. Who's trying to push me?
He's one shot, one though.
On the roof, shooting at me on the roof.
Woo! This guy smoked me. Whatever he got on.
Oh, it's fucking mad kids up here. What
Damn,
the
this guy
fuck?
smoked me, man. God damn.
Yeah, kidding me, man.
You really need 8 attachments?
You're the last one standing, soldier.
Last
Survive
one
and
standing.
defend.
Whoa. I'm back.
Squad mates. Good work.
Man, I gotta pull out reliable.
Go back for Lodi.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna run the kilo this time. Fuck it.
You have reinforcements inbound.
People on the roof.
Or not. Go slowly.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Eyes on it. Setting waypoint.
Yeah, I seen that.
Pushing.
Alright, bet.
This game is ass, bro. I swear this game is ass.
Who
Fucking
died?
helicopter. They're on red house.
Oh, they're
Red house
behind
right
us.
here.
Hey,
It's
they're
for the
behind
harbor.
us. Green, blue.
Behind us?
Red
Yeah, I think they
house in
behind.
front of blue. I mean, these kids are just. There's people in prison, and this red house before factory, in front of harbor.
Over here. I knocked one.
Your squad mate is
How do you guys get back to this?
Yeah.
fire sale.
Ah,
Hey, blue,
pushing
my bad.
that.
I'm over here thinking they was behind.
What I miss?
Hostile UAV in the area.
Setting waypoint. Hostile shooter.
No, you yellow. Watch out.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh, I'm getting.
Look here, right here.
Bro! These are fucking losers.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
Eyes on it.
They're right below you. Crack one. Now would be your time to push in there. Oh man, I'm getting shot from fucking.
All squad mates are in.
One more, guys.
Come on.
Gas is moving.
Rising.
Behind.
Oh, this motherfucker's. What?
Back in business.
Life of engine. You're redeploying. Fire sale's over. Just
Behind, guys. I don't know if we're a chemical or something. I need an AR, bro.
Yo, where's
my
my LC10, bro? There we go.
Take him back.
Bitch.
Enemies are dropping into
Watch
the
out,
area.
the kids on
Watch
top
the
of the camera.
skies.
I bet.
Kids flying and behind us. I'll mark them.
Good shit.
Bro, like, how, man?
Requesting recon above.
This is the end game.
Bro, oh my god.
Supply crates are
Eyes on
restocked.
it.
On top, blue.
I want you to load up now.
He be loading. What are you doing?
No, they're
Yellow.
hacking,
What
bro.
was that?
Found.
I'm helping you, gotta help me.
Oh
This
my
is
god.
some weird shit.
Kids running around with a compact and a fucking 19 stems, bro. I was chasing him for 5 minutes.
Yo, I'm. God damn.
Setting waypoint.
Whoa.
Inserting
I
armor.
got y'all.
Some bullshit ass shit going
Fucking
on
sniping
over here.
someone.
Got gas moving in.
Got y'all load out, Phil.
Good shit.
Kids on top.
Munition box on me.
Snipe them.
Yo, I got for the US.
Requesting recon overhead.
I ain't get the kill.
Enemy UAV is online.
Nah, I just gotta rock with the C9, bro.
C9's not bad.
Requesting recon above. Down the tarpon station.
Alright, what we pushing? Y'all wanna push prison? Or go back let's go back to chemical.
Yeah, Kimmy.
Yeah, go chemical. Go chemical.
Evade and survive.
There's somebody there though.
You've made it to
Yep.
the top 5.
Two people.
Just stop window.
Yeah.
Squad's still operational in the
Stop
AR.
window right here.
Hostile
Piece of
UAV.
shit sniping still.
Hurt.
I'm gonna just stay in this building, bro. I'm not leaving.
Requesting recon
They're
above.
right above us.
Oh yeah. Hey, I'm going around through the back.
Alright, bet.
Knocked
Live
one.
one up. He's on you. He's one shot.
Yo.
Got you.
You got him?
Safe zone.
Yep.
Alright, bet.
I
Good
had him
looking.
one shot. All you had to do was shoot him.
Yo, another one up top,
Inserting armor.
Got you.
Mission timeline
Yeah.
expired.
Good,
Exiting the AO.
y'all, good
That's a
shit.
loot.
We got circle, bro. Just hold circle.
Yo, we gotta hold these kids from coming in.
Where at
They're
Mark?
below.
Them.
They're below.
awaiting targeting data.
Dead. One's dead.
Under the tower right here, one shot. Under the tower.
Three, don't let up now. Three
Knock.
squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
Snipe them.
Yo, under the water tower. Look, in front of prison.
One knock.
Yep.
Get out back.
One more in the storm. Knock.
Behind. Bro, right behind us. Two of them.
Got him.
That's it.
Stop playing.
just-
I got the last one.
Way to get it done.
Yes, sir.
Good shit.
I got the last kill, dude. Look at my
I did.
positioning, bro.
What? Terminator?
See that kill?
Yeah.
I just got
what
right
kill? That's me right there killing him.
Nah, I knocked him, bro.
You just watched me kill him, dude.
Oh boy.
Set an unexpected win. I'll take it.
Come
I
on,
was getting
man.
handled, bro. I guess I need stims. Stims and
Run that back.
That was not bad.